Hey guys! So this is the look I ended up filming for you guys today. Some super simple eye makeup and just some lipstick, no face makeup at all. I really hope you guys enjoy the video and let's get down to it. So to start, I'm going to be using my chocolate bar palette from Too Faced, and with my MAC 224S brush, I'm going to take the shade Salted Caramel and I'm going to use it in order to define my crease. Next, I'm going to be using Colourpop Cosmetics Super Shock Shadow in the shade Get Lucky, and I'm going to be using my MAC 223 brush in order to apply that shadow all over my eyelid. So here you see me using MAC's Fix Plus in order to wet my brush so I can just get more pigmentation out of the Super Shock Shadow. So here you're going to see me dip back into my crease shade, which is Salted Caramel from the Chocolate Bar palette. And I'm just going to go back and darken up the crease. Now you see me using Urban Decay's Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner in the shade Midnight Cowboy, and I'm just applying that all over my lid for an extra emphasis on the gold and sparkle. You don't have to do that, but I just really wanted to for this look. And by the way, you probably are like, where did your eyeliner come from? I use Stila Cosmetics Liquid Stay All Day eyeliner to do my wing because I cannot do that on camera whatsoever. So to fill in my eyebrows, I like to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Wiz in the shade Dark Brown. I am not perfect at filling in my eyebrows, as you can already tell, but when I'm done filling them in, I usually just take a Q-tip just to clean up the rough mess, and it comes out pretty good after that. Now moving on to my lashes, I obviously just showed you that I'm going to be using Roller Lash from Benefit, but before that, which I didn't bother showing in the video, I used the Better Than Sex Mascara by Too Faced because I unfortunately don't have these nice long beautiful lashes and I have no idea how to use falsies. So this is how I achieve my long-ish eyelashes. So to complete my eye look, I'm dipping back into my chocolate bar palette with my 228S brush from MAC, and I'm using the shade White Chocolate all over my brow bone to achieve a natural highlight as opposed to a shimmery or glittery one, because there's so much of that on my eyelid already and that would just look like a hot mess. Now we're down to the last step, which is to do the lips. Right now I'm using the Makeup Forever Aqua Lip Waterproof Lip Liner Pencil in the shade 2C Rosewood to outline my lips and to fill them in a little bit. And then next you're going to see me use Stila Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick in the shade Patina, which does dry down as a matte. And this close-up of me is the final look. Okay guys, so that was my first YouTube video ever. I hope you really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed filming it for you, and I hope to see you guys come back for more.